Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be trying out gouache for the first time. So this is my first time using this medium, so I don't know if I'm qualified enough to talk about this, but I tried a few paintings and now I'm gonna talk with my experience. So basically how I think the product is. So here as you can see, I'm swatching out all the colors from the container just to see how the consistency is, and it's pretty good. First I'm going to paint as it is out of the container, and then I'm gonna dilute it with water and swatch it. It actually kind of feels like acrylic and watercolor. So when you dilute it with water, it feels like watercolors, and when you use it directly, it feels like acrylic. And now as you can see, I'm gonna paint a little white across just to check how opaque the white paint is. And as you can see that it's pretty opaque. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you like the content, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, moving on. Now I'm gonna paint a little sketch that I did to see how easy it is to blend the colors. But I actually didn't film the whole process because it stopped recording in the middle. I know, it's actually really sad, but don't worry, I'll be creating more fun paintings soon and uploading them. Also, I really enjoyed painting with gouache, as even though it's my first time, it was really fun doing it. So if you look at price wise, I guess it's really affordable because each container consists of 30 ml of paints. That's like really a lot. Each time you paint, you take only a little amount at a time, and also if you have some in the palette, you can even reuse it. So I would consider this actually really affordable. I hope you guys enjoyed me paint, and don't forget to like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.